What are we doing, Burnsy?
Fucking rusty musty. Get on there.
Yeah, Scotty's not allowed to do anything heavy.
That sounds pretty good. Anyways, we got the other leaf spring up, bushings.
See, look, pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh, yeah.
Now, we're trying to make a porno here.
Well, car porn is a thing.
It is. Have you seen some of those things?
I'm trying to figure out how some of those people get the tires on. Just saying, you know.
Ooh, that's a nice bushing.
You look confused. But yeah, Scotty's not allowed to do any heavy lifting for a while. Now, for those of you in the audience, ask me why.
Why, Scotty?
Because Thursday last week, I was in the hospital with a heart attack and a stroke.
I told you to leave those young male strippers alone.
Hey, when they want to come home with me and they're 21 plus, I don't have a problem.
Your heart says otherwise.
Yeah, exactly. It does, and did.
Ding dong. Fries are done. Quickie mark.
Right?
Come on, get in the hole, Stuart. There we go. Now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, I have to leave this loose because otherwise the bushing gets bounded up. When I stick it in the hole.
I hate when my bushing gets bound up.
Otherwise, I'll put the new shock on this side, and I gotta work on the isolator bushings.
Okay.
Getting that, and I can put the diff back in. Just waiting on new axle shaft bearings, and now I'll go next door to Victor. And by the end of the day, this whole ride is gonna put back together.
Well, I know I like to have my... Oops.
Hey, whoa. PG. Oh wait, as I was talking about male strippers. And
Right,
stuff.
exactly. Yeah, we're beyond PG-13 at this point with our videos. But everybody, as you can tell, Burnsy's hard at it. And getting things done this morning. I've got my projects that I'm doing this morning. So, but on that note, John, if you're watching, you know we love you, baby.